Let a and b be natural numbers. If a square plus ab plus a is equal to 14 and b square plus ab plus b is equal to 28, then 2a plus b equals. Okay. Now, if we see the equations here, the first equation and the second equation, I can take a common from these three terms. So that will give us a plus b plus 1. And I can take b common from over here. So that becomes b plus a plus 1. On the right hand side, it will be 14 upon 28. Okay. So a plus b is the same thing as b plus a, so that we can cancel out this bracket. 14 upon 28, that becomes 1 by 2. So we can say that b is equal to 2a. Okay. B is equal to 2a. Now, if we substitute it over here, 2a plus b, we want the value of 2a plus b. So 2a plus b, if we substitute b as 2a, that gives us 2a plus 2a, that is 4a. So the required answer is 4a, where a and b are natural numbers. And if you look at the options, there is only one option which is divisible by 4. And therefore the answer will be option D, that is 8. Okay, so this looks like a difficult question, but if you use the options and do it logically, you will get the answer quite fast. Answer is option D, that is 8. You can simplify it as well. Now 4a is equal to 8. Therefore a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4. So substituting it over here, 2 square, that is 4. 2 fours are 8 plus 2. So it is satisfying the equation that it is equal to 14, this first equation. The second equation, b square. So that becomes 16 plus 2 fours are 8 plus b, that is 4. This is also satisfying, equal to 28. So therefore we can confirm that the answer is option D, that is 8. Now let's suppose that this kind of question comes as theta, where alternatives are not given. Let's understand how we can do it in that particular case. Okay, so for that, again, I'll show you two approaches. So we have got b is equal to 2a. Okay, now let's substitute b as 2a. So therefore, over here in this second equation, we get 2a bracket square plus ab. So that also becomes a multiplied by 2a plus 2a is equal to 28. Okay? So 2a bracket square, that gives us 4a square plus 2a square plus 2a is equal to 28. So adding it, we get 6a square plus 2a is equal to 28. Okay? Dividing throughout by 2, we can get this as 3a square plus a is equal to 14. Let's bring the 14 on the left hand side. So that becomes minus 14 is equal to 0. Okay. So that gives us factorization, 3a square plus 7a minus 6a minus 14 is equal to 0. So a common, this becomes 3a plus 7 minus 2, 3a plus 7 is equal to 0. So we get a minus 2 into 3a plus 7 is equal to 0. So we get a is equal to 2 or a is equal to minus 7 by 3. But we cannot take minus 7 by 3 as the answer because it's given a and b are natural numbers. So a comes as 2. Now a is 2, therefore b comes out as 2 twos are 4. Now we want the answer as 2a plus b. So 2 into 2 plus 4. So we get 4 plus 4, that is 8. So that is our answer, option D, that is 8. So I just explained this method so that it is easy for you, even if the question is of theta type, that is type in the answer. Okay? Let's see another approach. Okay? Now, if you add the two equations, okay, we will get a square plus ab plus ab, that will become 2ab plus b square plus a plus b is equal to 14 plus 28, that is 42. Now I can see that a square plus 2ab plus b square is nothing but a plus b whole square plus a plus b is equal to 42. Now here I can take a plus b common. So the other bracket becomes a plus b plus 1 is equal to 42. So now we know the factors of 42 are 6 and 7. So that satisfies the equation. So therefore we get a plus b is equal to 6. Okay. And a plus b plus 1 becomes 7. Okay. So if you take a common here, we get a plus b plus 1 is equal to 14. And we know a plus b plus 1 is what? This is 7. So a into 7 is equal to 14. Therefore, a is equal to 2. Okay. Now a is 2. Therefore, as per this equation, b comes as 4. And eventually, we get the same answer as 8.